Hello guys, so this is a problem I brought to you, and I guess you know that it is about sets and it is about drawing Venn diagrams. So in a survey of 2,500 football fans provides information as follows. So as you can see here, there are four main groups here. So France, Real Madrid, Juventus, and Germany. So in order to make it easier, let's rewrite France as F, Real Madrid as R, Juventus as J, and Germany as G. So first group, fans who come from France is F, Real Madrid R, Juventus fan is J, and fans who support both Real Madrid and Juventus is R intersect with J. Fans who come from France but do not support Juventus is F intersect with anything but J. So fans who support Real Madrid only do not come from France. So here is a condition as well as the other two. So it says that fans who support Real Madrid only do not come from France. So it is they support Real Madrid only, which means that they do not support Juventus. So R when the complement of J do not come from France mean they come from anything but France. And fans who support Juventus only do not come from Germany. So same here, Juventus only, which means they do not support Real Madrid, and they do not come from Germany. And the third condition here tells us that fans can choose to support Real Madrid and Juventus, or either of them, or neither. So the question is, how many teams are there? How many fans are there who do not come from France and support neither Real Madrid nor Juventus? So do not come from France is the complement of F, and neither support Real Madrid nor Juventus is R prime and intersect with J prime. So the question wants to know what are the number of fans who satisfy these conditions. So you can capture the screen right now because I'm gonna draw the Venn diagram below and you probably won't be able to see it. So first I will draw it. So suppose, oh, white is better. So if this is R, Real Madrid fans, and this is J, Juventus fan, and this whole thing here is the universe. And I'm gonna divide this into, well, these groups specifically. So this one here is fans who come from France. This one is Germany, and this area is neither France nor Germany. Since it doesn't tell us that fans only come from France or Germany. And so in order to make it easier, I'm gonna write this one as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, and L to make it easier. So, well, but how easier? So, well, I'm gonna show you next. So, what we need to know is fans can only come from France, Germany, or neither France nor Germany, which means other countries. They cannot come from both France and Germany in the same time. So F intersect with G is an empty set, which I just draw. So the first one here, so fans who come from France from the Venn diagram diagram is A plus B plus C plus D. So A, B, C, D is 1,500. The next one is Real Madrid fans. So Real Madrid fans is this 6 here, A, B, E, F, I, and J, which is 1000. Juventus fan is B, C, F, G, J, and K, which is 1800. And 500 is fans who support both Real Madrid and Juventus. So it is B, F, and J. Alright, so the next one is, well, fans who come from France but do not support Juventus. So the area is something around here, but they do not support Juventus, which means that the area must be anything in this box but B and C. So it is A plus D. So A plus D is 100. And the next thing, we're going to use the condition here. So fans who support Real Madrid only do not come from France, which means that if they come from France, then there aren't anyone who only support Real Madrid. So it means that this area here is 0. Because this area here represents anyone who only supports Real Madrid and comes from France. But since there is none, so A is 0. As well as the condition here, fans who support Juventus only do not come from Germany. So the area is K, so K is also 0. So here is what we have after we read the question. So the next step is we're going to solve the equation by ourselves. So the answer, the question asks us what the complement of F intersect with the complement of R and the complement of J is. So look at the area here. First, let's deal with the complement of F. So the complement of F is anything but F, which is all here. Complement of R is anything but R, which is here. The complement of J is again anything but J, which is here. So as you can see here, the answer must be in an area where there are 3 colors in it, and that areas are H and L. So it asks us what H plus L is. So we're going to try everything to find H and L, or H plus L, in other words. So the first thing we need to do is, since we know that A is 0 and A plus D is 100, so we immediately know that, well, if we bring 5, then minus 6. A plus D minus A equals 100 minus 0. So D is 100. And from the first equation, we already know that A plus D is 100. So this one plus this one is 100, which means that B plus C is 1500 minus 100, which is 1400. And the next step is we're going to use some rules from the set, which states that in the number of elements of set A union B is number of element of set A plus number of elements from set B and minus the intersection area. So for example, if this is red and this is A, if this is blue and this is B, and if this is an intersection area, which is A intersect with B. So in this case, A union B is red plus green and plus blue. So if I follow this one here, then it's going to be A, which is red plus green, and B, which is green and plus the blue one. Notice that if you think that the number of elements in set A union B equals number of elements of set A plus number of elements in set B, you'll notice that this one plus together will be red plus blue, but plus 2 green, which is not equal to that one, which means that we need to, well, we need to minus this one with the green one, which is, in other words, the intersection area between A and B. So here is the formula. So I'm going to do is Real Madrid or Juventus is number of Real Madrid fans plus Juventus fans and minus numbers of both fans. So number of Real Madrid fans is here, Juventus is here, and both fans is here. So the result is the equation 2 plus the equation 3 and minus the equation 4. So the number of fans in set RUJ or Real Madrid or Juventus is 1000 plus 1800 plus 5 minus 500, which is 2300. So NRUJ is A, B, C, E, F, G, and I, J, K. So A, B, C, E, F, J, E, F, G, and I, J, K is equal to 2300. So this is the 10th equation. And what we have next is a thing that we haven't used. It says that 2,500 football fans. So the total fans in this box or this universe is 2,500. So everything plus all together is 2,500. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, and L. That's 2,500. So this is the 11th equation. And what we're going to do next is notice that there are some similarities between these two equations. So if we are able to eliminate some variables from, we may be able to find H plus L. So the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to minus the equation 10 with, well, I'm going to subtract the equation 10 from the 11th equation. So the result is, well, A, B, C all are gone. So E and E here, F and F here, G and G here, I and J and K. So what's left is D plus H plus L is 2,500 minus 2,300 or 200. But we already know from which equation? The equation 8 that D is equal to 100. So we substitute D as 100 and we'll get H plus L as 200 minus 100 or 100. So here is the answer to this question. So fans who do not come from France and support neither Real Madrid nor Juventus is 100 people. So thank you all for watching this video and I hope you like it. So if you don't understand any parts of it, so feel free to ask me in the comments below and I'll answer all of them. So thank you very much and see you next time.